A Kentucky hospital owned by Catholic Health Initiatives is now facing a lawsuit alleging doctors there performed unnecessary heart surgery.
It's not the first time Catholic Health Initiatives has faced allegations like this. WHAS 11's investigative reporter Adam Walser has our exclusive I-Team investigation.
Well, Doug and Claudia, the allegations are that surgeries were performed on a patient who did not fall within the guidelines to make them medically necessary. It involves a hospital owned by Catholic Health Initiatives. That hospital is located in one of the smallest and poorest counties in Kentucky, yet it's ranked as one of the top 50 cardio hospitals in the nation.
This one for the doctor was he charged $19,571.
Edward Marshall has reams of bills, thanks to 19 heart catheterizations, 4 stents, and he had performed at St. Joseph's Hospital, the tallest and one of the busiest buildings in London, Kentucky. Marshall tells us while he was in the waiting room, he saw many patients who were told they needed some type of heart surgery.
And it's almost like you could play a record. You know what they're going to say.
St. Joseph, London serves a county with only 6,000 residents. Yet more than 4,000 heart catheterization procedures were performed here last year. That's 1,000 more than at Louisville's largest heart center. Edward is suing St. Joseph's and its parent company, Catholic Health Initiatives, after 2 other cardiologists told him his latest heart procedures, including his pacemaker and a stent operation, weren't necessary. Medical guidelines call for at least a 70% blockage before inserting a stent.
They got the film, and they said there was 25% blockage.
Louisville attorney Hans Poppe represents Marshall and is consulting experts about other patients making similar allegations.
Some of them as many as 20 in a year, and the physicians are saying you didn't need these procedures done.
Marshall is also suing his doctors, including Dr. Chalhoub, who performed that last procedure. We tried contacting Dr. Chalhoub, but he did not respond to our request.
This guy's been hoodooing me all along. He's saying right to my face, and that's the reason I went to another doctor.
According to the American Medical Association, side effects of unnecessary caths include pain, death, and lifetime dependence on medication.
These are very profitable procedures. Some of these drug-eluting stents that they're doing can be $10,000 to $15,000 per procedure.
This isn't the first time Catholic Health Initiatives has been accused of performing unnecessary procedures. The company agreed to a $22 million settlement with the federal government after allegations surfaced that the St. Joseph's Hospital in Towson, Maryland, took illegal kickbacks involving stenting and catheterization. Public records show that the director of that hospital's cath lab, Dr. Mark Madai, lost his medical license for endangering the lives of multiple patients. In London, where the average income is $14,000 a year, many heart procedures are performed on Medicare or Medicaid patients, meaning taxpayers ultimately foot the bills. Poppe says he's concerned about Catholic Health Initiatives' merger with U of L, Jewish, and St. Mary's.
What we're talking about is creating the largest healthcare facility in the state.
Now, we spoke to a representative of Catholic Health Initiatives who issued the following statement, quote, "We are aware of the lawsuit and take the allegations seriously, but we cannot comment any further on pending litigation. The company's response to the allegation in the lawsuit are not due in court until mid-October." Adam Walser, WHAS 11 News.